Guess what? I think I'm parked in the red zone. Now, where were we?
I told you, I don't know anything about a fucking setup. I've only been on the force for 8 months and no one tells me anything. No one tells me shit. You can go ahead and torture me all you want.
Torture you? Yeah. Yeah, no, that's good. I like that idea. That's
Even
fun.
your boss said it was a setup.
My what?
Your boss.
Excuse me, pal. I want to make one thing perfectly clear to you. I don't have a boss. No one tells me what to do. You understand?
All right. You don't have a boss.
Fucking shit. I'm not gonna bullshit you, kid. I really don't give a good fuck what you know or what you don't know. I'm gonna torture you anyway. Regardless. Not to get information. But because torturing a cop is amusing to me. Say anything you want. I've heard it all before. All you can really do is pray for a quick death. Which you ain't gonna get. Oh, God. You ever listen to K. Billy's Super Sounds of the 70s?
Well, I don't know why I came here tonight. I got the feeling that something ain't right. I'm too scared in case I fall off my chair.